In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Sony Dream Machine if the display isn't working, including issues with the screen, backlight, or dim display. First, check the brightness settings. Sometimes the screen looks dim because the brightness is set too low. Adjust the brightness using the buttons or settings menu if available. If the display is completely black or blank, unplug the Dream Machine from power and wait about 1 minute before plugging it back in. This reset can clear minor glitches causing the screen not to work. Make sure there's no physical damage to the screen or the device. Cracks or liquid damage can cause display problems that need professional repair. If the backlight isn't working but you can faintly see the screen, the backlight may be faulty. Unfortunately, fixing backlight issues usually requires professional service. Sometimes dust or debris can block the screen or buttons, so clean the surface gently with a soft, dry cloth. Avoid liquids. If your Dream Machine has a backup battery, try removing and reinserting it, or replacing it if it's old. A failing battery can cause display issues. If the screen stays dim or off after trying these steps, contact Sony support or a repair technician. Following these tips should help you restore your Dream Machine's display or know when to seek professional help. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.